Let us continue with the chapter Where to Look From. Tit for tat. One day Amina met a painter. Can you make my picture? Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it. After a while, the painter showed her the picture. Amina, how do you like it? But this is only half. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to complete the picture. Now, can I have my money? Amina gave him a 100 rupee note. But this is only half the money. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Haha. So children, it was a nice example of tit for tat. The painter had made many such drawings in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. So children, try to put a mirror and find out how the complete picture looks, and then you can draw the other half. See, I have made it for you. The first one is a butterfly, a star, a diya, a mask, and a fish. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? And in the second part, children, you have to draw three more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. So children, the caterpillar, the cup, and the flag, we cannot use the painter's trick to draw these pictures because they do not have identical mirror halves. In the same way, children, the pictures here like the box, your book or a pen, we cannot apply painter's trick to these pictures because they do not have similar mirror halves. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? So children, look at the first picture. Yes, we can say that the dotted line is able to divide it into two halves. Same way in the green color triangle. But in the third figure, the dotted line is not dividing it into two identical mirror halves. So children, observe the other pictures also carefully. We have to put a tick if the line is dividing it into two identical halves. So children, look here. The alphabet B, T, M, A, X and even the number 8, they all are being divided equally by the dotted line. Even the green color triangle, the yellow color triangle. So mark all the pictures accordingly. Using a dotted line, you can divide the following pictures into two similar halves. So children, we have to draw a dotted line so that it divides the picture into two halves. There are few pictures which cannot be divided. So let's find out, children. Yes, here in this picture you can see we can divide the comb, button, envelope, airplane, crown, the suitcase, the bell, the scissors, number 8 into two parts by using a dotted line. Okay, but we cannot divide the iron, the clock, the umbrella, etc. by using the dotted line. Can you guess these letters from their halves? So children, only half is shown to you. Can you guess it? Yes, it is very easy. We all can guess it. First is alphabet A, then C, H, U, B and X. Using such letters, we can make sounds which have similar halves. Guess the words by looking at their halves. So children, we can guess the first word appears to be how, then wax, cooked, then DTCE. So children, I hope you have understood well the concept of symmetry and how a dotted line is used to divide a picture into two identical mirror halves. Happy learning!